Hello, for the next couple of weeks, my videos will come to you straight from Austria. My mom is in intensive care unit in the hospital after she had 2 difficult surgeries, and my husband and I decided relatively quickly to travel to Austria and support my aging parents. Papa and Mama owned a construction business and worked hard their whole life. They are everything that matters to me right now. They have always supported me, and I want to do the same for them. I see so many people who chase after material things, but I can tell you firsthand, the house, the car, all the things in the house, nothing matters when you don't have your health. Today I asked my almost 88-year-old dad what advice he would give to people who are hard-working individuals. This is his advice, not mine. Number 1. When you are stressed, go for a walk in the forest. It is important to lighten your worries in nature, or you will go crazy. Number 2. Avoid saying one day. Do it now. Number 3. Appreciate the simple things in life, because the last shirt has no pockets. Number 4. Enjoy as much as you can while you can, because there will come a time when you can't. Here you have it. My wise Papa has spoken. Self-care is important so that you can refill your energy by doing things you enjoy, and in return you will be able to cope better with the daily stressors at work and at home. That's it. If you liked this video, please make sure to click like, leave a comment, share with your network and subscribe. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy and be at your best.